Hello, students. Welcome to one more interesting topic of science, lesson number 6, Helper to All. Kindly keep your textbooks open when you listen this video or you go through this video. The lesson starts from page 46 of your textbook. See, children, why I told you that it is an interesting topic? Because I know that everyone has imagined that what he or she will become when you grow up. Like, what do you want to become when you grow up? Anyone will ask you the question, what do you want to become? Some will say, I want to become a teacher. Some will say, I want to become a doctor. Some says, I want to become pilot, astronaut, and so on. So, this is what you want to become. And why this lesson is called Helper to All? Because all these doctors, engineers, teachers, pilots, your mechanic, or any other person, they are helping us in one or the other ways. So they are also called as professionals and they help us in different ways. So they are also known as helper to all. So here is a story of a girl named Anu. Now, her ambition is to become a police officer. She also has one younger brother and he wishes to become a soldier. So in this same way, what do you want to become? Here are some pictures given. In this, you have to fill up the color that what do you want to become when you grow up. See children, same activities are there in the workbook also. So in the textbook only you have to go through the lesson and the coloring work or the activity work, whatever is there, you have to do in the workbook. If you do in the textbook also, I don't have any problem, but you have to complete the workbook also in the same way. So here, what is the function celebrated in Anu's school? Children's Day. You know what is Children's Day? Yes. 14th November, that is Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister of India, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day because he loved children very much. He was also known as Chacha Nehru and he loved children very much, so his birthday is celebrated till today and will be celebrated every year on 14th November as Children's Day. So 14th November, remember it is Children's Day. And here on page 46, the pictures of some professionals or helpers are given. You can see doctor, policeman, police officer, electrician, nurse, air hostess, then postman, mechanic, soldier, artist. The different pictures are given. What you want to become from this, you can fill up the color. See, the story continues on page 47. Story is what Anu discussed in her school. We should decide what we would like to become. So here they are deciding on this day everyone will speak what they want to become. So her friends also came on the stage and spoke. Some wanted to become doctor, some wanted to become farmer and police officer and so on. So around us, you see, we have many people who help us. Even the sweeper is a helper to us. The electrician, the plumber, the mechanic, teacher, doctor, nurse, driver, all these help us in other way, one way or the other. So they are our professionals, their professions are known as their professions and they are our professionals and they are also our helpers. So here one box is given. Here you have to fill up the different names of the professionals like doctor, lawyer, judge, teacher, nurse, plumber, mechanic, electrician, pilot, astronaut, air hostess, and so on. Here you have to fill up the box. I have given the answers in the notes when I will be sending you the notes of this lesson. Everything I have written in the workbook, you have to copy same to same in your workbook. No need of doing in the textbook. Now we move on to the next page, that is page 48. Here you can see that doctor is examining Lena. Why? Because yesterday was Saturday and Lena had gone to the market. But Aruna was sick. She was admitted to the hospital. So Lena reached the hospital. Now Dr. Ratan was examining her. Lena likes to serve all very much. Lena likes to become a doctor. So Lena is not sick. Aruna is sick and now Lena also likes to serve people. So she wants to become a doctor. Serving means what? Helping. So your doctor is serving us. So Lena likes to become a doctor. Now today is Sunday. There was a meeting in village. Good pictures were shown in the meeting hall. Lena also likes to make such pictures. Lena also likes to become a painter. Now she wants to serve everyone. So she wants to become a doctor, and she likes to paint also. She wants to become a painter. So here think and say the answers are there, which I have given in the workbook. From that you can copy, no need of writing in the textbook. Which profession is good for Lena? What do you like her to become? What else should Lena become? Like Lena, what do you want to become? What do your friends want to become? How can you help them? So these answers are given in the workbook. Say, see, Lena likes to serve, so she can become a doctor, she can become a teacher, because teacher also serves all the students. So any of the profession you can choose for Lena. And how you would help your friends? You can guide them, you can inspire them. Suppose their ambition is to become a doctor, so you can tell them to work hard right from the school days, and in the future also they have to work hard and study hard to become a doctor. So in the same way, whatever your friends want to become or you want to become, you have to follow that track, do the hard work, study well, and you can become anything you want to become in your life. See the next page, page number 49. Here, fill the color in the circle of professional of your liking. Whatever you like, you have to fill up the color here. Suppose you want to become a soldier, you fill up the color there. Suppose you want to become a nurse, you fill up the box. So whichever you want to become, you have to just fill up the color. And below that, different pictures are given of the different tools used by the professionals. For example, stethoscope. Who uses this? Doctor. Why does the doctor use stethoscope? He treats the patients with the help of stethoscope by checking them with the stethoscope. So first is the picture of stethoscope. Second is the picture of letters and postman's bag. Who uses this? Postman. So for what? To deliver the letters. The third is the handcuffs. Handcuffs is for the prisoners or for the criminals. Who uses this? The policeman uses this, and for catching the criminals or catching the persons like thief or robbers, like that. Then in the next picture there is a table, chair, duster and book. Who uses this? Teacher. For what the teacher uses all this? To teach the students. Next is the tool is the broom. What is this? Broom. So who uses this? Sweeper. What they use for? For cleaning the street, for cleaning our environment, for cleaning the roads and our buildings and so on. And the last is what? It is used by the electrician or by the other mechanic. It's used by the mechanic. It is a spanner. It is used by mechanic to feed the nut bolts. Even it can be used by electrician or anyone to feed the nut bolts. Suppose the nut bolts are there in the car, so to feed them, the mechanic uses them to repair our vehicles or repair other things in our house. It is called as what? Spanner. All these answers I have given in your workbook. No need of writing in the textbook. Now we come on to the last page, that is page number 50. Here one puzzle activity is there. You have to match the soldier. Suppose what is there given? Broom is given. So broom and the sweeper's picture down, one circle is drawn. So you have to draw a circle in this, matching the broom with the sweeper. Then one box is there containing injection, scissor, bandage, antiseptic and so on. So it is used by the nurse. So here you have to put a rectangle in this, that symbol, rectangle symbol. Third picture is what? Of the stethoscope. And in the doctor's it is given hexagon. So you have to put the hexagon here. Fourth picture is for the teacher. So you can put the plus sign here. And the last picture is of what? Soldier or the police officer with the handcuffs. You have to draw. The triangle is already drawn. So here in the observation, you have to write the name of the professionals, the tools used and how it is useful. All these answers are given in the workbook. So the different professionals in our society are teacher, doctor, mechanic, sweeper, nurse and so on. And what are their tools? We have to write here. Suppose you are writing teacher, then the tools are chalk, duster, blackboard. Suppose you are writing what? Doctor, then his tool is stethoscope and medicines. Suppose you are writing a sweeper, then the tool is what? Broom. Suppose you are writing here police officer, you have to write here gun or handcuffs. Suppose you are writing here nurse, then her medicines and all you can write here, and how it is useful, that all answers I have given in your workbook. So was a very interesting and a simple lesson, children. The profession you want to choose, you have to choose now only in your life, so that you can work hard and become that person. I wish you good luck. Whatever profession you choose in your life, may God bless you and you become that, and work hard and study hard whatever you want to become. And remember, no job is big or small. Every work is great work. Whatever work you do in your life, everything is great. So if you want to become a teacher, if you want to become a doctor, choose your profession and work for that. Good luck and goodbye for this lesson. This is a very small lesson. Soon I'll be sending you the notes. But whenever you watch this video, please keep your textbook open. In the textbook also you can do the activity, or only in the workbook if you want to do, you do the activity with pen only. Every answers and everything I'll be sending you on the WhatsApp. So take care of your health and study hard, children, and keep a goal in your mind. Whatever you want to become, you please keep a goal in your mind, that I want to become this and this, and these persons are called our helpers or our professionals. So bye, children.